Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. Today I'm going to show you all a hair mask as well as face mask. So first let's start with hair mask. For that I'll be using two bananas. Banana is like very good for hair. It gives nice shine to our hair. So I'll be taking like two bananas and I'll be like directly putting it to my mixer. Then I'll be taking one egg. You all know how good egg is for our hair. It gives nice like shine to our hair, and it's like very good for our like scalp as well. And next thing I would be taking is curd. This is like homemade curd. It is like very good to prevent dandruff as well as to remove dandruff as well. So I'll be taking 2 spoons of curd because I do not want this mixture to be like very loose, so I'm not adding too many liquids to it. So after that I'll be taking coconut oil, 1 spoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is like everything to me. I use it for my skin, hair, cooking, everything. So coconut oil is very good. Then I'll be using olive oil. I'll be taking 1 spoon of it. You guys know olive oil is again very good for our hair as well as for our scalp as well. And after that again I'll be taking castor oil. Castor oil has got vitamin E, and again it gives like nice shine, and it's like I mean like good for hair growth as well. So I'll be adding 1 spoon of castor oil and I'll be giving it a good mix. So if you guys can see, there are like few lumps of banana, so we don't want that because it will not be like, I mean it would be like difficult to apply to our hair. So I'll be again mixing it once again, and I got like very nice pasty it's not pasty, it's kind of like little liquidy, but still no lumps were there. So that's what we need, so that we can apply to our hair, I mean evenly. If lumps are there, that would be very difficult. So then next thing what we need to do is like we need to apply to our hair. First what I'm gonna do is like I'm making sure that there is no tangles in my hair, so that I can apply this hair mask easily, and also this hair mask like spreads evenly to all my hair. If tangles are there, that would not do that. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna take a good thick section of hair from my front section and gonna secure it with a clutch clip, and whatever hair is left at back, I'll be just parting it into 2, and then I'm gonna apply this hair mask. So as you guys have seen, this hair mask is like kind of like little bit on liquidy side, so it would make things like little messy. So make sure that you wear your old t-shirt or old dress, make sure about it. Then what I'm gonna do is like just gonna take like little bit of hair mask to my hair, and making sure that I'm like applying to my hair completely, right from the roots till the end, because this hair mask is like very good for scalp as well as for hair. I mean it really helps to grow our hair, prevents dandruff, and if there is any scalp infection, it kind of like helps to remove it as well. And then it is like very nice for our hair because it gives a very nice shine to our hair. It conditions our hair really well. So make sure that your hair as well as scalp both is covered with this hair mask. So I'll be like again parting my hair into 2 and gonna apply this hair mask. So whatever hair is left, what I'm gonna do is like again repeating the same thing. I'll be taking the hair mask to my hands and then applying it to my hair as well as to the scalp. So with one use itself, you can see that there is like a good shine to our hair, but then definitely with the regular use only, we will get to see that our hair fall is like reducing, or like dandruff is reducing. All these things, obviously we need to use these kind of mask. Not only this not only this mask, any natural things will take time. So please be patient with it, and definitely the results will be like amazing. Whatever leftover mask is there, I'll be applying it to my hair completely, and then I'll be like putting one shower cap and then letting it to be there for like good 40 minutes. After that, I'll be washing it off with a mild shampoo. Then for face, I'll be using a face mask. For that, I'll be using neem powder and then multani mitti, and then I'm also using like kasturi manjal. It's not the normal curry powder turmeric, guys. It's kasturi manjal. Please make sure that you apply kasturi manjal to your face. That is like better, and that's like good. So I have already mixed all these together and kept it in a container so that whenever I need it, I can take it directly, like 1 or 1.5 spoon, and then I can apply it to my face. Here I'm like mixing it with curd. So if you have like a very like oily skin, you can go ahead and use rose water as well. So since I'm like kind of like dry skin, I'm using curd and mixing it really well, making sure that I'm like getting a very nice pasty consistency, and then so that it will be like easier for me to apply it on my face. So I have mixed it really well. You all know how good it is for our face. Kasturi manjal is really good to remove tan and give that glowing skin, and multani mitti is again really nice to remove all the dirts, and neem powder is like really nice like if you have like acne marks or like acne going on. So all in all, this face mask is really good to have that clear and glowing skin. So I'll be applying it evenly to my face, and then once it is like semi dry, not completely dry, once it is like semi dry, I'll be like scrubbing it and washing it off. I won't be using face wash, just I'll be like washing my face, that's it. So what I do is like after like 10 minutes after applying my like hair mask, after 10 or 15 minutes I apply this face mask and then wash it all together. For hair, I have used a mild shampoo. I haven't used conditioner today because I just wanted to show you guys the result, how it looks like, so you guys can see it's like very nice. I have got like very dry and frizzy hair. So this hair mask has definitely conditioned my hair really well and has given a nice shine to my hair as well. And the face mask is also really good because it has given a glow to my skin. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. Please do try it out and let me know how it turned out for you guys. So please do subscribe to this channel. See you soon. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all.